You will need rice, sausages, crab meat, corn, onions, eggs, and also minced meat. First, we're going to cut it into small pieces. So we are going to prepare the eggs. We are going to put some chicken powder in and stir it. Now we are going to pour the eggs onto the rice and mix it. Make sure every single rice has a bit of egg on it. Now we are going to make the fried rice. So we need to put some oil in the pan. Now we are going to put the onions and the meat first. I'm going to add sausage and crab meat. Now we're going to put the rice in. This is the finished product. I added my favorite seaweed and cucumbers. Did you enjoy the video? If you did, please like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to my channel.